Welcome to part 2 of making a retro dress for the holidays. This dress was originally going to be for Christmas, but due to something called I changed my mind, it will be for New Year's Eve. This pattern calls for a lot of gathering, so if you don't like gathering, this may not be the pattern for you. Now I've sewn the cummerbund to the bodice. I'm going to put this on the mannequin and see if I can pin it easily without the zipper. So far so good. I can close it without the zipper. I wanted to use black bias tape for the neck and sleeve openings, but I guess I have to settle for navy blue. Alright, this is my first time working with seam binding or bias tape, whatever you want to call it. So hopefully I'm doing this right. From my understanding, you need to leave like a little of this edge so that when you get to the end, you can overlap those, sew it together, and then put it on. So I think I'm supposed to sew in this stitch all the way around, and once I do that, I'm gonna fold over to where this half mark is right on the seam and closing it, and then I'm gonna go around and sew the rest of it closed. We'll see. I'm folding the bias tape along the center line, encasing the raw edge of the neckline, pinning it all in place. Okay, so I did the first part of the binding, and now I am just edge stitching. I hope this turns out right. I mean, it looks good so far, but like I said, this is my first time doing bias tape. Tried it in a previous project and it didn't turn out right. I don't know what I was doing. I ended up scrapping the project. It was actually Simplicity S8655, the front tie top. So stay tuned. So I finished. This is the outside. Look at that. Looks pretty good. I'm actually kind of proud of that. I've never sewn with bias tape, and I think it came out pretty good. There's the inside. It looks pretty good to me. And the outside is also looking really, really nice. Okay, so now I just have to do this to both sleeve endings, and hopefully that will be the end of the bias tape. The skirt also has some gathering, but it comes together fairly quickly. I attach this to the cummerbund, sew up the side seams, throw in my hem, and we are done.